Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add new members in group in Telegram. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you're going to see options like contacts, chats, and settings. Stay on chats, then open the group that you want to add a new member to. Then on the top right corner, you're going to find the group icon, tap on it, then select add members from there. Now select the contact that you want to add. Once you do that, tap on done from the top right corner, and guys, that's it. That's how you add new members in group in Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.